Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, what's up, guys? Finally, a real solution for Samsung Secure Folder alternative on any Android device is here, in which you can use a separate private workspace for all of your apps and data easily. You can use this app on any device like Pixel, LG, Oppo, Huawei, MI, Redmi, and in all AOSP devices and even on stock ROMs. So let's get to it. First of all, you have to go to Play Store and search Island. Click Island and install it. As I have already installed the Island app, so I will open it. So first of all, you have to set up the app, accept, accept and continue. It will make a work apps and keep in your work profile. It is setting up your work profile. Wait, wait for a while. Here you can see it has just set up your profile. Click on next. Okay, now you can see it has opened the Island app. The main land is the actual land which you are using, the actual apps which you are using, and the Island is that apps which are basically secure folder, which are private apps, private all apps. So what you can do from mainland, you can add any app to the Island. For example, I want to add Facebook. Click on Facebook and click on add. It will ask for permission. Click on setting, click on allow from this source and install it. Uh, you can add multiple apps in your Island or secure folder from here. Click on drive, click on add. It will install that app in Island. Here you can see drive, Chrome, files, Google. These all are all are the apps which are added in secure folder. So let's see what is the magic here. Here you can see the apps which are secure folder, which are basically private apps. These are showing small icons like secure folder. So now uh, I am using Nova Launcher. So what I'm gonna do is I will move all the apps to its separate tab. So in go to Nova setting, go to app drawer, and in the bottom you can see drawer app groups. Click here, you can see I have added a secure folder. So what I'm gonna do is click on three dots, select apps. Here you can see I can see Chrome, Drive, Facebook, Files, and Island setting, which are basically private apps or secure folder apps, and click back. Now you can see in your app drawer the secure folder apps are added here. So first, if what apps you want to add, you have to go to Island and add the app to the Island. For example, keep notes. I click on add, click install, and wait for the app to add in the Island. Here you can see keep notes is added. Now what I'm gonna do? Click on secure folder. Click on select apps. Here you can add the keep app, secure folder keep app to the another to the app drawer. Here you can see all the apps are running. Now let's see the actual workspace and secure folder Island workspace. Now here is the actual workplace apps, and here is secure folder workplace. Now when I take picture in the Island secure folder workplace, it will save in the gallery of secure folder Island workplace, but you cannot see the same in the real workplace. Here you can see, you can not see the app. You have also the option to share this image to actual workplace. Here you can see, you can switch it to profile and share it to the actual workplace. You can easily lock all of your secure folder island apps from setting, then go to security, then go to app lock, and then lock all of your apps which are basically used in secure folder like AI Gallery, Chrome, and all of the other apps. Here you can see these apps are now locked. Now let's see the file manager of actual workspace and the secure folder for workplace. Here is the actual workplace. You can see all the data is here. But when I switch to the secure folder workplace and open the file manager, you can see it is totally empty, and the one image I have taken uh, now is here. Also set up Play Store and install directly apps to the secure folder island private workplace easily. Now, what is the drawback of this app is when you take a screenshot in the secure folder island app. Here I am taking a screenshot. It will not save in the secure folder island. It will save directly to the actual workplace. But you have to be aware of this. Here you can see the actual workplace. Go to albums, screenshot. Here you can see the screenshot is added in the actual workplace. Thanks for watching. I hope this app will fulfill 80% of the deficiency of secure folder to keep your private data and apps safe. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.